We're not pest control experts, but I do get asked this question, if we do a deck that's really close to the ground or ground contact, what's keeping rats from going underneath there and making a nest? I mean, again, I'm not a rat expert, I'm not a pest expert. All I can say is what I've seen from other customers, and because they've brought people out to, pest people to do this, and I'd say I've seen people put borders around them. It's basically sealing off the bottom of your deck so nothing can get underneath there. A possum or a raccoon or a cat or whatever to crawl underneath there. I've seen chicken wire, I've seen them put wood around it. I've seen, really put it really close to the ground. But by and large, an animal can dig holes. An animal is an animal. If something establishes itself underneath there, you have to get underneath there and clean it. So I have seen a lot of different situations there, but we don't, that's literally the breadth of my expertise when it comes to vermin. I would say get an expert if you really want to keep stuff out from underneath your deck if it's really close to the ground. Not necessarily for rats, but for like insects and so forth. We do have steel decking to where then you don't get the carpenter ants and so forth that you should see them doing their work. But if not, we've done steel decks before that it's all steel and composite material. There's no bugs that are gonna get inside that. There's no animals that are gonna bite it. But you can't keep them from burrowing underneath if they can find a nice place to hide. Squirrels can bite on it. I mean, if you got a big squirrel problem, then you have to deal with the squirrel problem. But I'd say any decking can be bitten on by an animal, and composite or PVC is not, immune to that either.